Hello, hello, my happy crafters. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. You guys, I am here today to do this Dollar Tree haul. Now, today's March the 29th. You probably won't see this video till sometime in April because I do have some goodies that I'm going to be sending to a very dear friend of mine who needs a little bit of a pick-me-up. And so I'm going to be showing everything and I don't want her to see it. So for the most part, I'm going to put this after I know that she's received it. So you guys, thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and definitely leave me a comment down below because I love reading you guys' comments and your feedback. It just brightens up my day. So you guys, oh my goodness. So I went today to Dollar Tree. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a little while since the last time that I went. And as I mentioned to you guys before, my Dollar Tree, thankfully, is pretty well stocked. And so I got a whole bunch of awesome goodies. I'm going to just start pulling stuff out of the bag, you guys. And nothing has been organized. I literally just got home a little while ago. But as I mentioned previously, I'm packaging up all of my craft supplies, and I'm packaging up, mine as well as Hassoul's craft supplies because we're transferring rooms. So I want to be able to put this stuff in a box as well, and just stack it up nicely. So I figured I'd do this now and get this over and done with so I can put these things away and also separate what I'm going to be sending out to my beautiful friends. So you guys, the first thing that I got here is a bag of cotton balls because I do my own nails. I do my own, I try anyways, you guys. I'm not a pro at any of this. But I do try to make my own nails and try to, keep my hands somewhat, decent. So I got that. I found this cute little thing right here. Let me see if I can focus this just a little bit better. Okay. So I got this little fairy figurines. It's got like a little beehive, which I thought was super cute. This little like these two little like windmill type things. I got this one here. This got like a little clock on it. It says Playgrounds for Fairies and Fairy Crossings. You guys know that I love anything that is, fairy tale-ish as far as like fairies, all of that whimsical stuff. I absolutely love it. Love all things fantasy, so I couldn't pass it up. They had other ones, but I wasn't really like, I didn't really like the other ones. But these two were cute, so I got these two. I found some butterflies, so I got these packs of purple butterflies, and I got 2 packs of those. One of them is going to be for me, one's going to be for a friend. And then I also found them in this really pretty like pink. Super cute, you guys. I cannot wait to play with this, and you guys know I'm like playing with resins and doing all types of fun stuff. So that'll be shared on that. Now I'm going to warn you guys, this is a pretty big haul, so the video is going to be pretty long, so let me not talk too much. All right, so I found some of these. So I got some for myself, for my friends, and for Sasson, in case he likes to play with those. I found these beautiful metallic flowers. So same deal. I got this one. I don't know if I have more of this, but I'll show you guys. I also found this beautiful stencil. I'm just going to start stacking it up one on top of the other. I found this one. This is going to go to my friends. These pretty ones right here, one for me, one for her. And then I always get 2 of everything because, guys, don't judge me. And then I got these alphas. Aren't these adorable? Absolutely love that. So I got a few packs of those. Needed some double-sided tapes because you guys know I have the ATC exchange that I'm doing every single month. I would love for you guys to sign up. Please go and check that out. We still have room for more, so definitely check it out and try it. I mean, if you try it this month and you don't really like it, it's not your cup of tea, then I mean it's not a contract. You don't have to come back the next month. We would appreciate it if you did. That would be awesome. But if it's not really your thing, I mean after you tried it, totally understandable. But definitely give it a try. So I got some double-sided tape, some labels, because I have to label boxes so that I know what's inside of what. I found only one of this. I gotta look for more. These are removable white tabs. And I'm going to be doing some DIY storage. I've been looking at a lot of DIY, like, room makeovers, all of that good stuff. And I've been getting a lot of inspiration from a lot of different, different channels that show, like, different ways of doing it. And one of them I saw that they had something like this on this whole little system that they have, which I'm gonna be remaking. Hopefully I'll record that process, and I'll write down, you know, I'll link the channel that I got the inspiration from so you guys can go and check her out. She's amazing, you guys. I found some of these little detailing scissors for like fuzzy cutting. I found these, you guys. What? So I got a couple. I got a couple of those. You guys, don't judge me. It's been a while. It's been a while. I haven't really shopped at Dollar Tree like on some happy go level. Then I got this right here. Aren't these like, oh my goodness. I wish that I could mold these, but they're so thin that honestly speaking, molding them will probably, the resin will probably break in half. But these are cute still to like decorate and alter different types of projects. So I got that. Again, you're gonna see a lot of these repeated. So you're gonna see a lot of these repeated, you guys. And my desk is gonna overflow. Okay. Let's put these here. Okay. Then I got instruments. Definitely, you know, Sassoon's vintage people and some of these instruments. Right? Am I right? Can't wait to see him play with that. I got these for my friends because I know she'll love that. Here's another one of those flowers. Some rub-ons. Now this, I didn't really purchase a lot of these, but I have to go back and try to get more. Like I was doing 1,500 things at the same time. Hopefully you guys can see that. I was doing 1,500 things at the same time. So like, I had, as much as I purchased, I kind of like, you know how when you guys ever seen those back in the day, like 80s, I'm talking about, like they used to have those shows where people used to run down the supermarket aisles and everything that they could put in their shopping cart they can take. I did one of those mad dashes where I just grabbed a whole bunch of stuff, threw it in the shopping cart, and had to fly out of the store. And then so I got this one. Isn't that adorable? Oh my god, that's gorgeous for vintage projects. I got this one. It's got like different words and stuff. I only got like one of each for this because, like I said, there were some. These are the first three that I found. I was trying to find more, but they were like buried in there. There was so much stuff. I mean, the hooks were overflowing. They had so much stuff, you guys. I found this one. Isn't that cute? So I got one of those for me, one for Sasson. I only found one of these. I would have loved to have found another one. I got this one. This is family. I got a couple of those. This one. I got a few of these. 2 of those. I was hoping to find more, but they didn't have any more of those. I found some stamps. So this is the first one. Sorry for the glare. I'm trying to like block the glare somehow. I don't know how, but I'm trying to block the glare. Or maybe if I just put it straight down, you'll see it better. I got this one for my friends. I got this one. And this one. She said that her Dollar Tree is not the greatest where she lives. So I try to get stuff that I know that she would like to play with. More of those labels. Again, I got multiples of some of them so that I can give them to her as well. I found this one for her. I think that's super cute. I think she'll love that. Hopefully she'll like it. She does beautiful, beautiful art projects, like you guys. I wish that she would make videos, but she doesn't. But I'm so happy that she shares with me because I get to see her brilliant mind at work. I mean, her projects are so awesome. I love them. Another one of those scissors. I got this carving set because Sasson bought me the wood burning set. He bought me the wood burning tool. So I figured that this will go in handy for something like that as well. And also I can use it to carve out like my clay, and like when I do my sculptures and stuff like that, I can use this to kind of carve out certain areas, certain edges. And then I found this, so I took it because at the end of the day, I mean, it's not the greatest quality, but it'll do the job when I'm trying to make beads. And since I have a mold now that I can make my own beads, I can kind of like put them here and then just kind of string them along and so on and so forth. So I took this as well. Like I said, you guys, it's going to be a pretty big one. That's just one bag. I have 2 bags in total. Here's another one of those jummy things. I found some eyelets, so I got me, I think, a bag or 2 of this. I got some head wraps. Even though half of my head is shaved off, the other half still needs to be tied every now and then. I found this adorable, like stinking adorable. This one I will see if I can make a replica of it. I'm not sure. At least the front half. But we'll see how that kind of works out, because I would love to be able to use it not on just one project but like multiple projects. So I'm gonna see if I can duplicate this one. We'll see. I'm not sure. I think it goes perfect with like the little fairies and stuff that I have, so that'll look cute. I found these hooks, and since I have to kind of do some rewiring as far as like my internet and stuff, I thought that this would be good to like hook the Ethernet cable across. I wish that I could have found it in white because my walls are white, but I found it in black. Either way, I mean, it'll serve the job, so we'll use it. And I found this one for my friends. I'm not sure if I'm gonna give that one to my friend. I'm not sure. We'll see, but I think so. And I got another one of this one because, like I said, I bought multiples of some of them. I bought 2 packs of those hooks in case I need more. I found this. This is spill-proof pump nail polish remover, and that's why I bought the cotton balls. And then let me take these out so I can put this in here. Oops, daisy. I show all these. Okay, you guys, just bear with me. I would pause the video, but I don't want to have to edit it. You know, edit all those parts out. So I'm just gonna try to do this fast. Okay. Oops, sorry for the camera shaking, you guys. All right, the next thing that I found, and there was way more than this, but this is what I grabbed. So I wanted to try it, and I've been hearing a lot of good things about this glue. I know that it's from the makers of the Fabric Tack, so that should be awesome. I took 4 sprays, and then I took for me and first I stone, and I got 2 for my friend so she can try them. And then I also got these sprays, the adhesive spray, so we're gonna try those on and test those out, and hopefully it all works out. I found these paintbrush organizers. So I took 3 of them because I have a lot of paintbrushes. And not only that, it also works for like colored pencils and stuff. And so I figured whatever doesn't fit brush wise, I can fill it in with colored pencils, and then have like little carousel colored pencils, and work that out that way. So I got 3 of those. Got some mailers so that I can send out Happy Mail and, you know, the ATCs and all of that stuff. Let's see what's in this little bundle here. This little bundle of joy. Again, this is for my friends. Usually I buy these kind of stickers for myself, which I'm probably going to go back and do a whole nother, like, oh my god, you guys. Like, I love these types of stickers. I de-stashed a whole bunch of stickers, and I'm back at it again because these stickers are awesome, you guys. Like, they're awesome. What? I cannot resist. So again, I got her, I guess I got her 2 of those. I thought I only grabbed the 1, but I guess I got her 2 of those. I found this stencil here. I don't know if I found another one or not, but I'll check. I found these paper packs, which is perfect for the ATCs. So I got me a couple of those. I got this glue residue eraser to try it out. So whenever like I have glue spillage, I can clean it up after it's dry, hopefully. Here's the other stencil for the ballerina because I got one for her, one for me. Another one of those awesome stickers. Like, you guys, I can't. Double-sided tape. Look at these butterflies. Yum yum, give me some. Some more of those paper packs. Again, I bought these because of the ATCs that I'm doing. And these are already pretty much sized down, so I don't have to really, I could use some of my scraps and have these as some of my bases. So I don't have to cut apart like a whole big 12 by 12 sheet. So I got these unicorns. So I got one for her, one for me. Here's another one of those stickers. These, I think I got these first. I sold them for myself. And this one. I wish I would have found more of these. I would have definitely got more of this because this plays so nicely with, and I'm sorry for the glare, you guys. These play so nicely with the molds that I just purchased, the Vagabond molds from Stamperia. I think this would look super, like, sick, you guys. Oh my goodness. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I got a screwdriver because, you guys, I'm putting stuff apart, putting stuff back together. I saw this cutting mat, so I took it because that way I don't have to pull out my huge 12 by 12. Not my 12 by 12, but my Tim Ho glass mat. I put that away for now because the glare is kind of crazy, so I have to figure out a way that maybe I can get something matte to put over that so that it doesn't glare as much. That's why you guys don't see it. And I have this beautiful paper that was gifted to me by Creative Wings. So I just basically put some clear, what you call it, I put some clear like book cover paper on it to kind of seal that up. And another pack of those jumpers. And then I got these, a pack of 3. I took it apart already because I wanted to see what it looked like. So I got these things right here. But yes, you guys, this is like for me massive. The total was a little bit up there for me, but I think it was well worth it. I think that the things that I purchased anywhere else, if you would have bought something of this quality, of this style, you would have been paying like $2 to $3 for each one of these. So I considered it a discount. So I didn't worry too much about the cost at the end of the day of how much everything came out to. I was super excited. I still am super excited. I cannot wait to send some of these goodies to my friend. Hopefully it makes her day a little bit brighter. And you guys, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Super awesome, right? So much cool stuff. So you guys, I want to thank you all so much for stopping by my channel today and checking out my Dollar Tree haul. I will have more hauls coming in the future. I know that I have other things that I am purchasing. Again, because a lot of the things that I destashed previously were things that I was no longer, you know, using or needing or even interested in working with anymore. So everything that I'm kind of replenishing are things that suit my interests as they have evolved to where they are now. So I do have other hauls and stuff like that coming up. Moving forward, you guys, I also have DIYs that I'm going to be doing, you know, for the purposes of storage and stuff like that in my room. So, you know, if you like those kinds of videos, stay tuned because those are going to be coming up in the month of April. I'm going to have a whole bunch of stuff happening. And again, you're probably seeing this video in the month of April, you guys, because we have, what, like 2 days left for March to finish. But yeah, so a whole bunch of awesome stuff is going to be happening over on my channel. So please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you guys. If you don't enjoy the art, then you might enjoy the DIYs. If you don't enjoy those, then maybe you'll enjoy some of the resin projects. If you don't enjoy that, then maybe you'll enjoy some of the scrapbooking work that I do here and there. So a little bit of everything, like I always say. So with that being said, you guys, I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Have an awesome rest of your day. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Again, if you haven't checked out my Legrand's ATC exchange, those videos go up every single month for sign up, and then you have basically 3 weeks or so to create your ATCs in your pocket and ship that out. So super fun, light kind of work, if you will. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. Let me know down below what you guys thought. Do your Dollar Tree have all of these things that I shared with you guys today? Like, what is your favorite part? What do you like? What would you like to see? Just talk to me, you guys. Talk to me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.